Hobbies, and we're in studio, and we're going to make a extension cord reel. So let's see if we can drag that into um, studio from this file. We got two of them here. So put that one on there. Hit yes. Okay, and there's one reel. Okay. It's a small extension reel for a small cord. So let's look at the size of it. It's 24 millimeters. That's pretty small. So let's double that to 48. Let's see if we get 48 here. It's a little bit bigger. And let's go to here. Let's go to here. Fills the whole bed. We're going to check the color on this now since it's got the lines here. It's blocked in. So let's go down to color. And I assume it's going to be white. So that's all we have is white. That's good. It says bamboo X1 carbon. That's good. Textured 4mm nozzle. That's good. 20 millimeters. Okay, as you see, this has overhangs all around it. See it around? It's overhung. That means in between here and this point, you have to have supports. So we go here, and we go to support, and I'm going to show you a different support now. I'm going to show you normal supports, okay? I'm going to slice it for normal supports, and I'm going to slice it. I'm going to show you that. And you see the support here? Let's see if I can drag it over. It's like a ribbon. It goes all the way around the extension cord underneath that lip, okay? And what you do is you pierce it and you pull it out, and it comes out like a ribbon. But I don't. Let's not do that. Let's go back to prepare, and it'll put it back in its original state. Okay, and let's go with over here to tree default. Let's look at those supports and see if they're a little bit easier to remove. I'm going to slice it again. So let's slice it. Slices very quickly. I mean, I'm in need of a extension reel, so that's why I'm doing this. Just another model I have to print once I get the machine up and running. Yeah, I think I like that better. See, you just have to pop those out with a pair of pliers all the way around. See that? And that holds that roof up, okay, when it prints, okay? And this is going to take, oh wow, it's going to take 8 hours to print. Okay, but we can knock that down in Handy App, okay? That's standard. I don't know how to get the time down any quicker. There's something you have to do with infill. My buddy Greg is gonna go into that and show us more about that, about how to get the time down in printing. And when I find out how to do it, and I'm going to study up on it, I'll show you guys. So that I'm satisfied with that, and we're going to go to save it. We're going to go to export. We're going to export plate sliced file, and you can see how it has no name. You got to put a name in there. So extension cord reel. Okay, I'm going to put it on the desktop. We're also going to save it. We're going to do a save as project. I'm going to save it on this inside Bambu Studio right there, and we'll go to home. See there's the reel. So if you want to print it again, you just print it. keeps a file of it. Okay, it's got some neat stuff. Oh, look at this. It's got some kind of a prop here. It's got a robot over here. Anyway, that's the video for today for doing a reel, and I wanted to show you that, something useful. Please rate, subscribe, and give the thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers, and only you can help me to do that. And please leave a comment. That helps as well. Bye for now.